Hello. We are in. There's camera. We are in the kitchen. My fat ass kinda hungry. So we are going to be cooking nothing. We are going to be making a freaking ding dang salad. Because salads are good for you. And if you don't like salad, I don't know what to tell you. Because vegetables are a food group. And they're good for you. So with that, we're going to go get our ingredients. I have the ingredients. Ugh. And a big knife. That is real. Just so you know, YouTube. Cutting board. It's going here. Shredded cheese for a topping because it's good. This one has Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago. Cool. The ranch sauce. I love ranch dressing. You can probably tell. That's okay though. It's ranch. It's good. This is buttermilk. It's also cheap. Radish. Because I don't like carrots, but I like the crunch. So I get radish because it kind of doesn't have a taste, and what it does taste, it's just bitter kind of tartness. It's good. You could also do like red cabbage, but I didn't feel like buying a whole cabbage and cutting it up for no reason. So radish. And then the star of the show, lettuce. We got romaine. I like romaine lettuce because it's crunchy. And I'll be right back for a second for the croutons. Croutons. They're seasoned croutons. Restaurant style. Alright. Enough goofing around. We're going to open the frickin' salad. With big nails comes big responsibilities. I'm just going to rip the bag. Well, don't cut towards yourself like how I just did a little bit. I could have chopped my head even though it wasn't really close. Get out of the bag. Alright, so I'm just grabbing this lettuce really quick. What I usually do is, because a couple of the top leaves are usually pretty gross, so I'll usually break off a few of the top leaves to get to the goodness. Just kind of feel for your lettuce. Also, this is just how I make my salads. Y'all gonna make your salads your own way. So these are kind of garbo, or if you have a compost pile, put them in the compost. I'm white trash, so I don't. So they go in the trash can. Oh! Or they go into the farmer's field next door. I'm not doing that right now. So, trash can. Alright, and then you cut the butts off. Don't hack it like I just did, because you're going to chop your fucking hands off. I should have looked when I did it. But yeah, so you cut the butts off. Butts go in the garbage, or if you want to grow them, if possible. I don't think these ones are possible to recuperate, because the bottoms are completely off. But, yeah. And then you just kind of chop the tops of the leaves off, because again, grossness. You don't want it. I think I can hear my parents coming home. So that'll be fun. But you just kind of chop into thirds or fourths, depending on how big your romaine is. Mine are kind of big, but I also like big chunks. So one of them's in thirds and one of them's in fourths, for example. And then they kind of become like bite size. If they're a little big, you can go ahead and just chop the, are they leaves or are they sprigs? I don't know, but you just kind of chop them in half. And if they're a little too chunky for you, you can check them. Some of the center core pieces you don't want. I personally am okay with eating them because it's a leafy green and it's good for you. But like if you have a big core piece like this with all of the light. Let me stand in front of the light. Big core pieces like this and you don't want it, you can either cut it off or just chuck the whole piece. Like, simple as that. We're making salad, people. It's so good. What also I've noticed recently, I'm gonna tear some because the knife is loud. Some of the greens that I've been buying from my store personally have been kind of nasty. I don't know why. Like the pre-bag stuff, like the spring mix and stuff like that, power greens, whatever, all been kind of nasty and rot really fast. But again, they are pre-packaged and it's kind of like per your convenience, blah. But, kind of sick of it. So now I kind of do the old-fashioned way, buy my produce, cut it myself. Same thing with pineapples. Like, you get the cut up stuff, it goes away really fast. You might as well just buy the whole damn pineapple and do it from hand. Also, it's cheaper, if you've noticed that. Doing a lot of things yourself, I find, is cheaper, and it's more rewarding, and it tastes good. Also better for you, because it doesn't have all the freaking preservatives in it. Not saying that fruits and vegetables don't, but if you get them canned or pre-packaged, they might, as far as I know. But yeah, so just chop up your veg and good to go. Nice and small and leafy. That one was kind of chunky. There, now it's smaller. That's more petite because we don't want a big honking mess. So, cool. Also, if you can help it, don't have big freaking nails like I have with cooking. It makes everything so extremely hard, and I've never had nails this long. Don't really recommend it if you're going to be chefing it up, because shit gets in the way. Alright, while I was off camera, I chopped up. What do you need? You don't need salad. Well, I think you do, but I need salad too. I chopped up the last head of romaine in here, and I'm just putting it in this little Tupperware dish because I'm going to use this for my dinner tonight. So the other ones went in the fridge, but you just get a handful of radish, as much as you want. I like some, but you just go through, you put it on. You are freaking needy. This is my YouTube channel. This is mine. And you can't have salad. You are really needy right now. But yeah, you just put radish. It'll get mixed up when I'm eating it, so that don't matter. Just a little sprinkle of cheese for that nuttiness. Get out of there. This cheese has already gone bad. Never mind, get that the frick out of your salad. Hold on, god damn it. Y'all, I only bought that cheese like a few days ago. And there is no expiration date on the lid or anything. It's probably why I don't feel good. I made my mom a special dinner a few days ago. God's in the goddamn trash now. Made her special dinner. It was Alfredo and stuff like that. God damn it. Anyways, yeah. I'm just gonna have to live with the cheese on there. Put the lid on the radish. Yeah, now for the sauce. If I can freaking open it with one hand, that would be great, but I can't. Fuck. 2 hands, because I got nails. Alright. This doesn't have a stopper in it for some reason. It had a protective seal on it and everything when I bought it. No stopper in it. That's fucking weird. Anyways, just put as much as you feel. I like a lot of ranch, but that's let the ranch seep to the bottom because I'm a fatty. But at the same time, like, I go to the gym, so I burn off a lot of what I eat. Granted, I've gotten to a point where I now just maintain, but explaining stuff in another video. Croutons! Alright, get your croutons because I like some crunch. Jesus Christ. One more. Good. Get the air out of that so we can save it. Close. Jeez. Alright, and while we're here, I'm just going to add a little bit of chives for that oniony flavor. So I like onion and garlic and stuff. I don't feel like cutting any up. I also don't got any red onion. All I have is white onion and shallot, and I don't feel like messing with all that. I got nails. I could have just bought some cut up. But I'm showing you what I have. And that's kind of it for my salad. Get up nice and close. So yeah, salads are really easy to make. You just gotta know not to cut yourself. Buy fresh stuff. Buy good produce. This also says it's going bad early too. What the fuck? Anyways, make sure your stuff is fresh. Don't get poisoned like I possibly will be. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy life. Enjoy good things. Have fun.